Do you hate loud noises? Power lawn movers, chainsaws, and even motorbikes sometimes emit sound waves, upwards of 100 decibels. According to the latest research findings, extremely loud sounds like these can trigger hearing loss and fluid buildup in the inner ear of mice. Biomedical researchers speculate that something like this could happen even to the human ear. So it's advisable to minimize your daily exposure to loud sounds and safeguard yourself from acoustic trauma. Sometimes, a minor hearing loss may remain undetected for years, but could eventually lead to something more serious and damaging. Published as a research article in Frontiers in Cell and Developmental Biology.